Call this a new chapter in Irish travel. After 2 years of an ambitious, behind-closed-doors renovation to the tune of tens of millions of dollars, the storied Adare Manor is once again welcoming guests. The famous 19th century estate in County Limerick reopened November 2nd with a seamless extension that features 42 new rooms, a new state-of-the-art ballroom, the only 5-star La Mer spa in all of Ireland and the UK, and a fully refurbished world-class golf course. And even amidst all that's new, what's classic remains. Consider that when you're refurbishing a property like this, a legendary 19th century estate, there's a careful balance that's got to be struck between delivering the amenities and creature comforts of a modern-day stay with the magic and splendor of an historic property.
We have wonderful owners, and our owners are very much part of the journey over the last 2 years, and they're committed to ensure that all the heritage is restored and that it's brought back to its glory days per se, and that's one of the important facets along this way, that we don't lose anything. Actually, we bring it out and we showcase it.
Adare Manor's revamp is also a testament to a bigger picture reality in Ireland. 10 years after a rough recession slammed the Emerald Isle, several high-profile properties are opening their doors anew after major investment and reinvention, like Kilkea Castle in County Kildare. Built in 1180, it's one of the longest continuously inhabited castles in Ireland, and just this fall, 5 years and $35 million after its own comprehensive revamp, it's welcoming guests all over again. For U.S. travelers, the largest share of Ireland's visitors, these newly reimagined properties mean more options and inevitably more value. For the world at large, it's a fresh new peek at that famous Irish hospitality.
I think the service industry is growing. It's a huge component of Ireland, and we do it really well. The Irish have a wonderful welcome, they have a lovely smile, and we just like to be around people and talk to them, and that welcoming smile is what Ireland's all about.
With videographer Paul Daniel, I'm Gabe Saglier for Travelzoo.